Today has been such a fun day with baby Lucas. This morning we went swimming. I tried to take a selfie of us. Another mom saw us and offered to take photos of us, which was really nice. After that, we went to the park with the puppies. Lucas stayed in the car because it was super snowy. Right, baby? You were napping. Yeah. And now we're home. Just enjoying each other's company. I love you. Puppies are all relaxing in the living room. Hi, Chloe. Oh, back to sleep. There's Louie and Jemison. Oh my gosh. Let's watch Lucas playing in his jumper. When we first bought it, he was not interested at all. And now look at him go. I am so proud of you, my love. I'm so proud of you. Oh, wow. Look at you go, spinning the ball. And do you have an alligator here? Or is that a crocodile? What's the difference? Wow. So proud. We have a pillow here to help support him. Oh my god. Seriously guys, he's going through so many changes as a 5-month-old. We're so proud of him. Oh, look at him go, playing with everything. Wow, you have a giraffe there and a lion. Good boy. Hi, Lucas. All the kisses for you. It's honestly so amazing watching Lucas grow. He's standing so much taller and stronger. You're sitting really good too, right, baby? He likes to grab things, especially my hair. Yeah, you do. You're so active. Wow, look at you. You're on your belly. And you're doing so good. Wow. I love you so much, Mama Annie. Yeah, you're doing good, my love. Push, push, push. Are you getting tired? Wow. Wow. So good. I have Miss Rachel on now. Look at him looking at the TV. Mommy's gonna go pump while you're watching TV, okay, love? Love you. Mwah. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. I got 120 mils. Hi, Chloe. You're so adorable. Yeah, we're hanging out with your sister. It's almost 5. We are waiting for Daddy to come home, right, Lukey and Chloe? Hopefully he'll be home soon. Do you miss your daddy, Chloe? You do? We do too. We miss him. He's working so hard for us, right, my love? Get you all the treats in the world. Kisses, baby. So sweet. Okay, Chloe wants a treat. Let's give one to her. Yeah, let's give this treat to Jemison. Yeah, gentle. Get it, Jemison, get it. Can you get it? And Lucas got half. All right, let's give Louie one. There you go, Louie. That's yours. You already got some, my love. I love you. Love you. What are you doing? I love. Hi. Oh my. Are you growly, baby? Yeah. Such good babies. It's okay, Chloe. What is it, my love? Do you need more treats? Do you need more treats too? You too? Oh, need more treats. Okay, mommy go get it for you, okay? Mommy go get them for you. Go get you more treats. What do you think? Does that sound good? Oh, baby. Okay, let's go. Okay, Chloe first. No. Take it, Chloe. Good girl. We give this one to Jemison. Good boy. Louie, this one is yours. Take it. Good boy. Hi, guys. What are you guys doing here? Mommy, more please. More please. Always more. Mommy loves you guys. Look at all my babies. I love all my babies. My love. You make mommy so happy. Thank you for the kisses. It's after 5. Hopefully Happy will be home soon. I am literally standing by the door looking out. Miss him so much. Yay, we're so happy. Daddy's home. All the puppies are by Daddy. Lucas is here too. We missed you, love.
Missed you guys too.
I'm so happy you're home. Yeah, everybody gets more treats. More treats. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, such a good girl.
Just scarfing that down.
Mm-hmm. So yummy.